Withholding tax. Okay, so withholding tax. Just give me a moment. So how many people know about withholding tax? Tell me. How many people know about withholding tax? Tell me, anyone. What is withholding tax? Anyone having any idea? Tell me.
So withholding tax is a direct taxation. It is deducted by the employees from the earning salaries, sir.
Okay. Next. Next. So withholding tax, also called as a TDS in India. Okay, withholding tax means TDS in India. TDS means so tax deduction at source. Okay, see guys, we'll finish up this topic. This topic will be finished up in 1 or 2 days, and after that I will start RISIF concept. Okay, so after end of the RISIF, I will take 2 or 3 workshops. Okay, people who are freshers, you can look out for jobs. People who are experienced, you can continue for the last. Okay, so up to last class. So after end of this session, I will tell you what to do. So like withholding tax and RISIF concept. So next things for freshers, you can look for jobs. Okay, for experienced peoples, you just continue with me after end of the sessions. So withholding tax means it's a TDS in India. TDS means the tax deduction at source. So TDS means tax deduction at source. Source means specific income. Source means specific source of income. Specific income. So TDS is applicable only on specific income. Okay. So TDS in India is called as a direct tax. So TDS in India is called as a direct tax. Okay. See, for example, how the direct tax should be calculated. On what basis? There we have 5 heads. Okay. So we have 5 heads. So what are the heads? So income from
Salary.
Income from
House property.
house
House.
property.
Income from others.
So income from
Others.
income from business and profession.
Capital gains.
Okay. Income from salary, income from house property, income from business and profession. Next,
Income from capital gains.
income from capital gains. Then
Income from other sources.
other sources. So how the total income from total, or what is total income? Total income. Okay. So total income, after getting total income, we have deductions, right? Deductions under 86, 80C to 80, we have some sessions. Okay, so life insurance policy, if you are paying EMI, loans, EMI, etc., medical insurance. So government will give you some deductions. Okay, so after that, you will find net income. Net income. So let's say, for example, your net income is 10 lakhs. How the tax should be calculated? If income is 10 lakhs rupees, how the tax will be calculated?
We have slabs, sir, like 5%, 10%, and 30% income tax
Let's
slabs.
this slab rates. Okay,
Yeah.
slab rates, you see. So your income slab rates, income tax. So every year slab rates will be announced by government. So your government will announce the slab rates. So based on that, income will be calculated. Okay. So up to 2,50,000. So individual nil. Okay. So and senior citizens. Okay, 80 above, and senior citizens 80 above nil. Okay, 2,50,000 to 3 lakhs, 5%. Okay, so your income is up to 2,50,000 to 3 lakhs, then 5% is old slab rates. It's a new regime. To up to 3 lakhs, there is no tax. Even if if your salary is below 3 lakhs, you don't need to pay any tax. So, but your salary is more than 3 lakhs or 6 lakhs below, then 5% tax will be imposed. 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs, then 10% tax rates will be imposed. 9 lakhs to 12 lakhs, 15%, and 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs, 20%, and above 15 lakhs, 30% tax rates. Okay, so these are the things we should understand. So if your slab rate is 15 lakhs, then 30% slab rate will be imposed. Okay, so basically this is 15 lakhs slab rate 30%. Okay, 50 lakh and slab rate is 30%. So this is the way your income is 10 lakhs, then so tax will be imposed 15%. Okay, and we have tax calculator also. So income tax calculator. Okay, income tax calculator. So here you need to give the assessment here. Just to give me a moment. So these are all screenshots. Okay. Income tax calculator. Here also you can calculate. Some tax calculator. So your salary. 1 minute. So your age is below 60. So your income from salary. Okay. So give income from salary total, only your salary is 10 lakhs. Okay, this is your income. Other sources and etc. 0. Okay. And deductions, if you have any deductions under ATCU, say 1,50,000 maximum system will allow. That means your government allow only 1,50,000 ATC to 80. ATC up to 1,50,000. Calculate. See, this is your taxable income, 78,000. Okay, so if your income is 10 lakhs above, if you show tax deductions, etc. So max you will need to pay to the government 78,000 every year. This is for every year. But where is the question of TDS? Tell me.
Sorry, every month the employer will deduct from employee salary, sir.
Every month will deduct. Okay, fine. Every month employer will deduct TDS, right?
Yeah, from the salary, from employee salary.
Okay. Every month employer will deduct so TDS. Next. 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 Next, tell me. Okay, see TDS sessions. Okay, so TDS is applicable only on these sessions. Okay, so like your client is dealing some business. Okay, like security. So if he is getting money from interest on securities or payment of any dividend. So income from lotteries. Okay, these are all TDS. If you won lottery ticket, so flat 10% or 30% will be imposed. Okay, like if you won any new prize, if you won any prize from any TV channels, etc. So 30% flat. Okay, so 30% will be imposed. So like that here, these are all sessions. Every session has a slab rate. Okay, slab rate means threshold limit. Okay, so you withdrawal from the you withdrawal from EPF. If you withdraw EPF, okay, so it's a 50,000, 10%. Okay, so like that. Income from online games, it's 30%. Income from horse race, it's 30%. So insurance on commission, domestic company 10%, other than company 5%. So payments, commission, etc. sold, this is 5%. Commission on brokerage 5%. Okay. So these are all sessions. Every session has threshold limit. Okay, so if it is crossed above, okay, then TDS will be applicable. So applicable percentage also there. Okay. So applicable percentage also there. So this is all about TDS. Got my point? So from now the question is where we need to deduct this TDS. So TDS means advanced tax. It is one kind of advanced tax. Government will deduct TDS directly. Okay, this is one kind of advanced tax. Got my point? Okay, this is one kind of advanced tax. So government is deducting advance salaries. You are paying salary every your employer is paying salary to you, right? Every month the salary will be deducted. So your TDS will be deducted every month. So this is one kind of advance tax. So for example, you paid TDS. Okay, you paid TDS 25,000 around year per year. Then your taxable amount is 78,000. Okay, so then your TDS payable to government only 78,000 minus 25,000. Okay, this will be deducted in last. TDS will be deducted in last because say for calculation point of it will be deducted in last. But every month the TDS will be deducted automatically. You are paying tax advance. Okay, so this amount. So we'll pay to government 43,000, I guess. 43,000 need to be because you already paid 25,000. For example, if you pay this TDS max 18,000 and it's your payable amount is this one, but you paid more than this, and you need to ask the government 2,000 refund, or you can adjust in the next month also. That's it. Okay. So this is the basic things we should aware. Got my point? Okay. Okay, this is all about withholding tax. Income from salary, income from house property, income from business and profession, income from capital gains. Okay. So now you understand, right? What is TDS under? So this is about overview about the TDS and TDS journal entries. So I will share your TDS journal entries. So you guys need to watch this. So here professional fees. Okay, so for professional fees, generally 194C session will be up to 194C, I think. So 194J session. Okay, professional fee extra associate firm of chartered accountant 25,000 during the year. If it is not applicable because see as for 194G, so if threshold limit is more than 30,000, TDS will be applicable. But here chartered accountant provide the service to the client. Okay, the worth is only 25,000, no TDS applicable. Because TDS is applicable, so if this professional fee is more than 30,000, but here the amount is only 25,000, TDS is not applicable. If TDS is not applicable, this is the entry. Okay, so at the time of payment fees, okay, Mr. Extra Associate Accountant are to bank account. Mr. Extra Associate Accountant are to bank account. Yes, invoice time, payment time also TDS applicable. Okay, so here, so TDS is not there because threshold limit is only 25,000. Okay, so but as per this 194 session J, threshold limit is maximum 30,000. If chartered account provides service more than 30,000, then TDS will be applicable. but here the amount is only 25,000. No TDS is applicable. So professional fee paid to extra associate firm of chartered account 35,000 during the year, and TDS is applicable. So see here it's crossed, right, 30,000. Actually threshold limit is 30,000, but it was crossed 35,000. So professional charges expense account are to Mr. Extra associate, and here the TDS payable should be liability side, current liability. So at the time of provisional expense income invoice time, this is the entry at the time of payment. So we will have this entry. Okay, this amount we need to pay to the government. Okay, guys, need to remind this journal entries. So interview point of view, journal entries are very important. Okay. For entry point of view, journal entries are very important.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I forwarded one TDS chart of list, sir.
Okay, great. So Manohara forwarded some list in the chat box. Sessions are there. Okay, but as per the client requirement, okay, client is what kind of business client is dealing. So then session will be applicable based upon the session TDS rates. Okay, here 0.10 means 10%, right? Right now I told you 10% will be applicable. Okay, it's 10% only. Okay.
For the doctor's professional fees, we are given 190 for W6, sir. 10%.
So you first connect with your client and ask what kind of sessions are there for TDS because based upon their business TDS will be applicable. Got my point? TDS applicable. So what kind of business they are dealing based upon that TDS will be applicable. Okay. So first ask your client. So what kind of business he is dealing and what is the TDS sessions for that, and what is the threshold limit, and what is the percentage of taxes. Okay, so every company has different TDS rates. Right now I'm dealing a software company. This is only consulting service tax, GST, consulting related. Okay, and if I am paying employee salary, then also applicable TDS on employee salary. So what kind of sessions would be applicable, and what is the threshold limit? What is the threshold limit for the TDS? And then ask what is the TDS rates? What is the TDS rates? Okay. Okay. This is all about TDS. Now your duty is today you just open up this document. Okay, and read out this journal entries. And so configurations. So TDS. So for which country you are applicable? You are applying for TDS which country? Which country and which city? We need to configure first. TDS on income. So a TDS also applicable income type. TDS on payment type. TDS also applicable on payment type. Income type on payment type. Okay. So TDS income type and TDS on payment type. Then so TDS rates configuration. TDS rates. Okay, and business areas and session codes. Okay, for which business area, which session code. And tax recipients. Who are the tax recipients? Their details. Okay. So their details. And also TDS Chalana, remittance Chalana configurations. Okay, exemption configuration, exemptions. Okay, threshold limits configurations. Okay, all these configurations we need to do. So interview will ask you configurations, particularly in TDS and sessions also. Okay, some sessions, at least 4 or 5 sessions. If you tell 4 or 5 sessions, that's sufficient. And the journal entries. So what kind of journal entry? Okay, journal entry must. And that's it. Journal entries and configurations are very important for TDS point of view. Okay. Any question on this? Any questions?
Sir, hello, sir.
Oh,
Sir, I'm unable to post FB60, sir.
which one?
FB60, sir.
FB60. So show me.
Sharing my screen, sir. So this is the error already showing, so correct the customer settings for the job.
We already discussed it several times. Okay. What's your name?
Rakesh.
I told you several times here, asking same question. See, here I'm just putting one key code in the chart box. You just copy that first. Just go to yes, enter. Select use values below. Select company code. Execute. Okay. See, that is 1 minute. Master data project not completed. Go to that. Double click on that. Master data. Yes. Question mark. Question mark. So go to update existing 1 minute. What is your existing project which you create as CLM? Okay. So update existing postings. Last time you asked, right? This one.
But
Update existing posting. Click on.
hasn't completed yet.
This is not completed. Controlling area configuration issue. SCLM. Click on that. Your controlling area configuration is not done. So click on the run project for updating exist. SCLM. Okay, execute. Okay, select a second one. See, this is error. Second one, second one, assign company code to controlling area. So I told you right last time. This is assignment problem. They are delete completely controlling area. Can you able to deleting the controlling area? Okay, KP?
No, sir.
So that is the reason you are not created controlling area properly. Okay, that's the reason you are getting this issue.
Okay.
Okay, so have you assigned your company code? Just go to company code. That is your controlling area. See, you are giving wrong currency. Okay.
Yes, sir. Here it is, no, sir, 30 global currency.
So you are taking two cross company code cost accounting. That is wrong. Controlling area is same as company code. Enter. See, now you are changing. That means system will not allow. Maybe check. So that is your company code SCLM.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you posted? We can delete this. Delete this and create fresh.
Sir, we have tried that day, sir, unable to delete.
Okay. See, because of this issue only, because you created wrongly, that's the reason system is asking this. Okay.
Sir, if I
So
change global currency, it would be okay.
change that. Change that. Maybe not acceptable because you posted several transactions. Now you are changing, then system won't be accepted. Let's try. So take that. Enter. Give the fiscal year. Enter. Enter. First enter. So now you save it, but system is not accepting, right? System is asking. So click on the mass data project. Oh, no, wait, wait. So question mark. Click on the updating existing project assignment company code. Have we assigned to company code?
Yes, sir, I have done.
Okay, then system is not accepting. Go back. Go back once again. See here, so this is mass data SAM not complete into. Click on into. So, go to assignment of company code. Okay, so go to activate components. Activate that cost centers. And save it. Master data. So this is not completed. Okay. Master data project SCLM not active. Question mark. Click on the question mark.
Sir, first, second one.
Second mark. Second one. Copy the error message. How to deactivate mass data project? No. Copy the error message. No. Go to Google.
Okay.
Go to Google and check how to deactivate mass data. Something else there, right? So you need to deactivate that. Mass error message. Mass data. Go to that error message. No. Go to that error message. Error message. SAP.
Sir, I have copied that one only, sir. This is the one.
Okay, copy not that one. Okay, mass data project SCLN. Okay. So mass data project. How to deactivate mass data project configuration? Okay, you will deactivate that. There may be chance, or else it will not be happen. Because you need to do these things at the initial stage. You created wrongly, then you are trying. That means system may not accept. There should be some come down. Yes, the migration 1 minute, 1 minute. Just go up. Due, but not at started. Start IMG. Otherwise, will until the data migration has been finished. Then you can set migration completed. Okay, if the migration is due, but not at settled. Otherwise, wait until the data migration has been finished. What is the T code for data migration here? Data migration T code in SAP S/4HANA activation. Last time asset accounting we have done, right? Go to asset accounting. Go to SAP screen. Close this. Go to another SAP screen, another screen. Go to accounting. Go to accounting. Below here, below accounting. Logistics below. Accounting. Go to financial accounting. Financial accounting. Go to asset accounting, fixed assets. Fixed assets, fixed assets. Go to periodic processing. Click on that. Go to year fiscal year change. Fiscal year change. So year end closing below that. Okay, click on the first one, FA_CMB. Yes. So just Control F and type down your company code. Check where is your company code in that.
It's not showing, sir.
It will be there, yeah. It will be there. Check what is your company code, SA?
SCLM, sir.
SCLM. So have you done asset accounting configurations?
No, sir. No, sir.
Still it will be there. Why you not done asset accounting configurations?
Sir, I have logged at FB60 only, sir.
Okay, just go to pencil mark. This is you are in display mode. Click in that. Click on that. So where is your company code? Give your company code. Okay. So you are not done asset accounting.
No, sir.
So that's the reason. Say you have change setting for company code in asset accounting. So even your company code also not appearing. I don't know why you not done. Okay, do one thing. You start from the scratch. Okay.
Okay.
So that issue will not be resolved because once you have made that settings, that we cannot change, and your report will be completely invalid. Okay, even if you change. Okay, those things will be done at the initial stage itself. Okay, then else we will touch base with our ABAP, they will do something. We need to connect technical view.
Okay.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.